Hey guys, we've got a lot of things going on here this summer, and one of the things is coming up very soon, an exciting development for the infrastructure program here, but it means I've got to move a few of these cars out of the way. Justin's going to be here this weekend, and we're going to start installing a hoist at the old shop here. It's going to be outside because I don't have a building tall enough, but it's going to go kind of in this area, and that means that we have to find some new parking for this car and the little Peugeot 403. And I thought, rather than just tow them out of the way, it might be fun to see if we can get these guys going. It's good for the engines to start them up every now and then anyway, so let's see if we can get this massive straight 8 Buick going. We know it ran because I had it running a couple of years ago, and I haven't tried it since. So let's fire up this. I believe these are 320 cubic inch, and I got this car from my friend Chris. He had done a lovely job on rebuilding the engine, and plans changed, so I ended up with it. Let's have a look at it. What I love about these Buicks is you can open the hood from either side. I think for what we're doing, this is the right way. There we go. Look at the size of that. That is absolutely awesome. I'm going to rig that up to a jerry can, and we'll get a battery, and we'll be right back at it here. I'm going to try to get some fuel into the carburetor. This is probably not going to work very well. Maybe. Hope to get it running long enough to draw fuel from the tank. That's ways over there, so just waiting for the usual dead battery situation to charge up here. But this is a very large engine, and it's very tight because it's hardly broken in. So it's taking a lot of current to turn this thing over. Let's see what happens. We'll put it to the boost. We got gas, we got sort of something there. There's a little switch here. Let's see if that does anything. I can't run it for very long because there's no coolant in it, and I don't want to put coolant in it so I can move it 20 feet. So we're going to get everything ready, start it one more time, and throw her down into low and see if we can put it up by the 59. Frankers and I are going to go for a very short drive. You ready, Frankers? Yeah? Okay. take this whole operation, battery and gas and whatnot, over to the Peugeot 403 and let's see how that goes. I'm going to try the same process on this Peugeot 403 car I got, well, I think I got this one last year. I did get it running, so this is a fingers crossed it'll start again situation. The carburetor is not good on this car, but I have a kit. Of course, I haven't had time to put it in. Nevertheless, let's see if we can get this guy moved out of the way here. And hey, is this another Franker's favorite? Oh yes. Okay, off you go. Franker's likes it. I think this car dates from around 1960, early 60s. These cars, unlike American cars, did not completely redesign the bodies every year, so all we can guess is somewhere in the early 60s without looking at the serial number, and nobody cares. So, nice feature of these, internal hood release, and let's see. Yeah. Okay, here we have the Peugeot 4-cylinder Hemi head. Very good little engines, very robust engine and car, and everything I think is there, and it's full of oil. Car we don't know much about before I got it, but it looks like somebody's abandoned restoration project, as they are. Hoping for the best. No idea if there's keys for this thing or what. Let's just look inside. That's sort of something. Should be power to the coil. Maybe we have to make a jumper wire because, oh, or just hook that on there, I guess. Seems a little sketched, but again, we're not going to run this one very long. Same thing. The radiator hoses leak so badly on this thing that even putting water in it is kind of a waste of time. I'm literally hoping to drive it from there, and I'm going to put it over by the forklift. Just get it out of the way of this part of the driveway. I've primed the carburetor, and before, I just want to see if it'll fire. And again, I don't know very much about the condition of any of this, including that. Okay, all I know is it's in neutral, so here we go. Okay, well, it's better than nothing. Fill this up. We never did get this car running particularly well, but no time today to do the carburetor. There.
Fab.
Fab indeed. Braggers, would you like to go for a ride in the Peugeot? Okay, get up, get up. What a good girl. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it's safer with the hood open. Nice. Okay, you ready? Ready to move? go another 10 feet. You can do it. Oh, that was magnificent. Looking like it wouldn't go at all for a minute there, so I'm going to call that victory. Yeah, 19 question mark Peugeot 403. Is it on the list of cars getting fixed? We don't know. But Frankers likes it. Out you go, boo. Woo. That's all for today. We'll see everybody on Saturday for more of the regular contributor.
Same old shit.